Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Rocks and Happy Pride. So in this video I have a subscription box unboxing. I found out about this on another YouTube channel and it's called Box of Stories, and you get 4 books, and these are books that maybe haven't been got quite as much publicity, and they actually save these books from being destroyed. So instead of the books being pulped, they get into circulation through their subscription box, and it's called Box of Stories. I'll put a link in the description box, so let's get straight to it. They have different categories, and so far they haven't got sci-fi fantasy category, which I would totally get, but they have got a few different categories. This is a mixed box, and I've got another video of opening the historical fiction box, so let's see what we got in the mixed box. Oh wow. So first of all we have this one. The cover looks gorgeous, and this is All the Beautiful Girls by Elizabeth J. Church. In the summer of 1968, Ruby Wilde as the toast of Las Vegas. In her feathers and rhinestones, she mesmerises audiences from the Tropicana to the Stardust. But not so long ago, Ruby Wilde was Lily Decker, an orphaned girl from Kansas, raised by an aunt who took too little interest and an uncle who took too much. Dancing was her solace and her ticket to a new life. Now, as the ultimate Sin City success story, Ruby discovers that the glare of the spotlight cannot banish the shadows that haunt her, and that there is a difference between what glitters and what is truly gold. So this sounds really interesting, and the Sunday Times says, a vivid backstage portrait with rich period detail that evokes the dazzling artifice of classic Vegas. And Financial Times says, moving and involving, the author's love for her heroine is bright and sincere on every page. So that looks really interesting. So, oh yeah, we're a big reader in my family, so once I've read these, they tend to circulate around the family. Yeah. The next book is 11 Missed Calls by Elizabeth Carpenter. Anna has always believed that her mother Debbie died 30 years ago on the night she disappeared, but when her father receives a strange note, she realises she's never been told the full story of what happened that night on the cliff. Confused and upset, Anna turns to her husband Jack, but when she finds a love letter from another woman in his wallet, she realises there's no one left to help her, least of all her family, and then a body is found. Not my usual genre, but I've been watching Walter Presents French thriller, which is real cool, and it is a crime thriller, so be nice to expand my reading choices. So that's an interesting one. The next one is Boy Erased, The Truth Cannot Be Converted by Gerard Conley. This is a film. This sounds a bit hard to read. The son of a Baptist pastor in small-town Arkansas, Gerard Conley was outed to his parents at 19 and forced to attend a church-supported conversion therapy program that promised to cure him of homosexuality. Through an institutionalized 12-step program heavy on Bible study, he was supposed to emerge heterosexual, ex-gay, cleansed of impure urges and stronger in his faith in God for his brush with sin. Instead, even when faced with a harrowing and brutal journey, Gerard found the strength and understanding to break out in search of his true self and forgiveness. At times heartbreaking, at times triumphant, this memoir is a testament to love that survives despite all the odds. an urgent reminder that America remains a place where queer people have to fight for their lives, says Garth Greenwell, author of What Belongs to You. That's very fitting for Pride Month. The choices are really interesting. You just get like a selection that are a total surprise. You don't know what you're getting. You don't get a questionnaire or anything, but just really fitting books. So this sounds like a difficult read, but quite possibly uplifting for Pride Month. I don't know. But there's that one. Then the last one in this box is Secrets Under the Sun. This sounds like one of them summer books, that summer blockbusters or something, I don't know. On the island of Cyprus, in the small seaside town of Larnaca, 3 childhood friends have reunited for the funeral of Katerina, the much-loved old woman who had a profound effect on their lives. Alani, Mariana and Adonis grew up together as close as siblings. Although from humble beginnings, a housemaid from the age of 13, Katerina's love, wisdom and guidance helped shape them all. Her loss leaves the friends bereft, but the funeral is not just a time to mourn and remember. Adonis's mother decides that with Katerina's death comes the time to share the family's secrets and answer the riddles of the childhood. A story of deception, forbidden love and undying loyalty unravels. What she reveals will change everything. Oh, now this sounds like something my mum and my auntie would love. They love this kind of book. So they like this. I'll see what it's like. So these are the books I got in the mixed box. So they all sound really interesting. I'm particularly interested about All the Beautiful Girls. That sounds really cool. So I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for watching.